machine learning algorithms. We have explored the basics of machine learning, the what and why. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of machine learning algorithms, the how behind the magic. These algorithms are the recipes that enables machines to learn and make predictions. Buckle up for a journey through different algorithms, their strengths and where they shine. Types of algorithms. Algorithms comes in many flavors, each suited for different tasks. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforced learning. Supervised learning, like a student learning from examples. Algorithms like linear regression and decision trees learned from labeled data to make predictions. For example, predicting house prices based on features. The other is unsupervised learning. Imagine finding patterns in a messy room. Algorithms like k-mean clustering and principal component analysis group similar data points with predefined labels. For example, grouping customer segments based on the customer purchase history. And the reinforced learning comes think like a training a dog with rewards. Algorithms like a Q learning learn through trial and error, aiming for the best outcome. Example, AI mastering games by learning from its own options. Which type of algorithms would you use to predict if an email is spam or not? What kind of a data would you need? Think and share your ideas in the comments below. Unveiling the inner workings. Let's peek under the hood of some popular algorithms. Linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Linear regression creates a straight line that best fit the data, predicting future values based on the trends. And for decision trees, ask a series of questions to classify data like a branching and flowcharts. Neural networks. It's inspired by the human brain. Interconnected nodes process information and learn complex patterns. Choosing the right algorithm. Picking the right algorithm is crucial. Consider factors like the type of the problem, data characteristics, and desired outcome. The type of the problem. Are you predicting, classifying, or optimizing something? And data characteristics. Size, complexity, and presence of labels influence the choice. And the desired outcome is accuracy, interpretability, and computational efficiency matters. Beyond the basics, the world of algorithm is vast. Explore ensemble methods, combining multiple algorithms for better performance. Deep learning, powerful neural networks tackling complex decisions, complex problems like image recognition. Emerging algorithms. The field is consistently evolving, bring new possibilities. Which algorithm fascinates you most? Which ethical considerations surround algorithms, selection and use? Share your thoughts and questions. Machine learning algorithms are engines powering AI revolution. Understanding them empowers us to harness their potential responsibly and shape the future of technology. Remember, the choice we make in developing and using algorithms impact our world. Keep exploring, research specific algorithms, try your hand at coding them, and consider how they might impact your career and field. Remember, the future of AI is in our hands. So let's shape it for good.